Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making sushi with some ahi tuna. This is going to be a part of my luxury cooking series. So as you can see here, it's got a beautiful salsa on top and I made some edamame to go with it. So if you're interested in seeing how to make this meal, just stay tuned. Alright guys, so for our ingredients, we've got some lime, Roma tomato, red onion, Kirby cucumber, cilantro, and these spicy Thai chili peppers. Now these are very hot, so if you want to omit those, please feel free to do so. So you guys can see that with the lime, I'm going to be scoring this on the inside some. Just a little trick that I learned when I was bartending to help you squeeze it out a little bit better. I'm going to sprinkle that over the salsa, and then I'm going to also add some salt. It was not shown here, but I do add some salt just to give it some flavoring, and it definitely takes it all the way there. So I decided to have some edamame. This came out of the freezer, so I'm going to go ahead and throw it in a pot of boiling water just for a few seconds, and then I'm going to go ahead and cook it after. So I've got my skillet for our tuna steak on high heat, and then I'm going to turn it down just a pinch once it gets pretty hot. Alright guys, because our skillet is so hot, we only need to cook this tuna steak for a few seconds on each side. You'll see that it cooks up to maybe about 3 millimeters or so before I go ahead and flip it on all of its sides. And there you have it, guys, a luxurious meal that looks like you went to a 5-star restaurant for cheap. I had a lot of fun making this dish, and I really hope you guys try it. The salsa was amazing, and it had the perfect kick of heat. But if you guys want to see more videos like this, feel free to let me know. And until next time, see you.